Okay, here we're playing log bait deck with rocket. Okay, let's cycle our princess. We're playing AC engineer. Let's get that quick damage with goblin barrel. Okay, he has arrows which is coming. Let's just drop cannon. Oh, he has hog rider which arrows. This is not. I first thought there was a graveyard deck, but it's not graveyard. What is this? Let's just drop princess, get that quick damage, ship damage, mega, and fuck this, mega knight. Okay, look at that perfect placement by us guys. Skeleton to get the mega knight out of here. Let's just drop the barrel, get its evo. Okay, yes, Karmi, log. Witch and Hog Rider. Right. Let's just cycle our princess. Again, princess on the right tower to get that quick damage. Oh, he used arrows. Let's just drop cannon. I'm pretty sure he's gonna use Hog Rider. Yup, there's the Hog Rider. Let's just go with log. Right. Okay. Nah, bro. The witch gets 3 hit. Okay, let's just cycle Goblin Gang. Again with evo barrel. I think we got some damage. Let's go. Okay, he used Karmi on left side. Again princess on right side to get that damage. Okay, he used right. Let's just cannon here. I think I'm gonna go with I'm gonna let that witch do the damage. Okay, let's just drop gob barrel on right tower. Yep. Oh, there comes the mega knight. I was waiting when he's gonna drop that. Let's just go with skeleton so he does not jump knight on that to drop him away. Okay, another cannon for hog rider. Let's just go with goblin gang to cycle. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to rocket this all at the end, or cycle rocket. Okay, that princess is still alive. Let's go. Drop another knight to keep that princess alive. I think here comes the mega knight. Yep, here comes the mega knight. Skeleton to distract the army away. Okay, now I have to defend this push. Okay, log for that. Drop a knight to distract the mega knight. Okay, that I read it wrong. The hog got those hits. So why the hell does he have an inferno? Karmi, arrows, inferno, hog, and mega knight. What the hell is this deck? People play anything nowadays, no? And they just quickly cycle princess and drop barrel. Again, okay, I'm gonna just rocket for this. 500 damage. I don't know who said that. Somebody on YouTube I was watching said that 500 damage when he's using rocket. Okay. Here comes a hog rider. I am to log all this. No, never mind. I'm not logging. Okay, we're doing the barrel now. Log. Okay. Nice. Rocket. Yeah, that's GG.